So I just got, yesterday I had a party with my friend Ezra, and it was at Wild Waves in Enchanted Forest. And since he wouldn't be able to come for my birthday, he got me this. The Star Wars, it's Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Interceptor. It comes with R4P17 and Obi-Wan Kenobi. And it's for ages 7 to 12. It has 215 pieces. And on the back of the box, it just shows all the features. You can pause the video if you want to look at the features of the box. But let's get into opening it. And I had cut the tape. Now, let's see what's inside of it. Wow, a lot of pieces. Set 1. Set 3. Set 2. There are 3 sets, the instructions, and the stickers. Wow, that's a lot of stickers.
All right, we'll look at it when you get done.